I'm playing a story here. Make sure you should listen each and every word, because during the story playing, I'll be pausing the story and ask that what was the last sentence. This is all about listening. How attentively how good listener we are. How good listener we are, how attentive listener we are. Sorry. I'll be checking here. So please make sure you should listen with the 100% attention. So here we go.
Of salty sea. In a village, there lived two brothers named Ram and Shyam. Ram was elder to Shyam. Ram was rich and Shyam was poor. It was the festival of Diwali and people were celebrating it happily. But Shyam and his family didn't have any reason to celebrate. They didn't have anything to eat also. So he went and asked his elder brother Ram for some help. But Ram rebuked and sent him back. While he was returning sadly, on the way he saw an old man with a bundle of logs. The old man asked Shyam,
"What's the matter, son? Why are you so sad? You should be happy on Diwali."
Baba,
Sorry, what that old man said to Sham. So, the poll started now. So, Satakshi, I'm seeing some raising hands. Wonderful, wonderful. Let me go to Sandhya. Sandhya, please.
The
What was
old
it?
man said, "You should be happy in this Diwali celebration. Why are you very sad?" He said,
Okay,
that old man said.
okay. Manya says, Manya denies something is missing there. Yes, Manya.
What's the matter, son? Why are you so sad? You should be happy on Diwali. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. What's the matter, son? That was missing. See, one should be very much attentive while listening. Again, I am playing that. I can ask anyone. That person, if doesn't answer, not good for the health.
my family is starving. I went to my brother for some help. Baba,
Son, why are you so sad? You should be happy on Diwali.
Baba, my family is starving. I went to my brother for some help, but he also refused. I'm not able to do anything.
If you help me in carrying this bundle of logs till my house, I'll give you something which will help you in getting rich.
Shyam picked up the bundle of logs and went after the old man and left it at his place. The old man gave a pancake to Shyam and said,
Go to the jungle and you will see peculiar kind of three trees together. Near to that, you will see a rock. If you see carefully, you will find an entrance to that cave. Go inside the cave.
Any one of you? Okay, no worry. If you miss any line, that's fine. But at least start to speak something. Satakshi, unmute your mic.
Um, what I have to speak means the lines before say.
Yes. What that old man said.
Okay. Old man said, "Just go to the jungle. You will find a cave." Means all means same lines. Okay. Old man said, "Go to the jungle. You will find a cave, and in that cave there will be something."
Okay, wow. Nice. You are good in addition, adding new things. Wonderful. You will found or you will find. What is correct?
Fine.
Yes, you will find. Yukta Agarwal, please. What she has listened.
The old man said that if Sham
Okay. Yes, Sham.
if Sham will go with him, then he will give him something, and
No. This was said in last line. This was not. It was not in the first.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah,
said
yeah.
like way back.
Okay. The old man said that you will find the peculiar three things, and then you will go in a cave and you will find something else.
Oh, wonderful! Great, great, great. Vidhi Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
The old man said to the Sham that if you help me to take the bundle of wood uh, to my home, then I will give you something which will help you to become a rich.
Okay, nothing, no information was correct. Manya, let's see.
So the old man said that I'm giving you this pancake. Go to the jungle. You will find three trees there, and that when you will then you will find a rock there. And when you will go to the cave, and you will find something that I forgot.
Wonderful. Wow, that's guys, one should be receptive listener. So she was up to the mark. She was always, Manya was close to that all the time. So three peculiar
Three
trees. What
dwarfs
is the meaning of
in
these?
you will see a peculiar kind
Peculiar kind of, peculiar. Please do write down. Peculiar means strange. So different types of peculiar kind of three trees. So peculiar means unique or different. Strange kind of. Okay, which are different. Okay, let's go ahead.
of three trees together. Near to that, you will see a rock. If you see carefully, you will find an entrance to that cave. Go inside the cave. Three dwarfs live there.
Meaning of dwarf. Dwarf. Dwarf meaning. What is the meaning of dwarf?
A small plant, maybe.
No. Dwarf means bone.
There. They are
Spelling?
DWARF. It is there.
Go inside the cave. Three dwarfs live there. They are very fond of pancake. They will not leave this pancake at any cost. You will give this to them, but be careful. Don't ask money from them. Rather, you ask them to give you the treadmill.
Sham reached the cave. Seeing the pancake in his hand, one of the dwarfs said,
Give me this pancake, and in return, I will give you whatever you ask.
Okay. So here we go. Bhumi. What that
Sir,
dwarf said.
he said, "Give me this pancake, and I will give you something return
Oh, something
that you ask. That you ask.
Okay.
That I will give you.
100 gold coins. Right?
No, sir.
Okay. Take your time. Drink water, please. Go and drink water. Sandhya.
Sir, that dwarf said, give me that pancake. Whatever you ask, I will give you that thing.
Manya.
So that person said that give me this pancake. I will give you whatever you want.
Whatever you ask
Sham,
for.
And in return, I will give you whatever you ask.
Sham said,
Just give me your treadmill.
as soon as Sham started walking away with the treadmill, the dwarf said,
This is not an ordinary treadmill. When you rotate this, you will get whatever you ask for. And once you get the desired amount of things, just cover the treadmill with a red cloth. It will stop making things.
Carrying the treadmill, Sham reached his house. His wife and children were hungry. He said to them,
Spread a cloth here.
after spreading the cloth, he kept the treadmill on it. He started rotating the treadmill and said,
Treadmill, treadmill, give some rice.
and rice started collecting. Then he covered the treadmill with a red cloth, and removed it. He rotated the treadmill again and said,
Treadmill, treadmill, give some pulse.
Plenty of pulse started coming out, and same way he covered the treadmill with red cloth. Then his wife cooked rice and dal and they had a hearty meal. At night they slept in peace. Next day Shyam went to the market and sold off the remaining rice and dal. And after returning from the market, he started with the same routine. This time he took out plenty of rice, wheat and different kind of pulses from the treadmill. He sold them in the market and earned lots of money. Within few days, he became richer than his brother Ram. With the help of treadmill, he was getting whatever he desired for: oil, salt, spices, nuts, sometimes cotton also. Ram started feeling jealous of Shyam's happiness. He started thinking,
Okay, what was the last word? Is Satakshi there? Satakshi.
Jealous.
Jealous was the word. Sentence I am asking.
Okay. Ram was Shyam. Yeah, Shyam was jealous. Shyam was feeling jealous.
Shyam was feeling jealous. Wow. Alright. Sonali Acharji.
Ram was feeling jealous about his brother.
Yes. Ram was the elder, not Shyam was. Satakshi, be in the story. Be in the story. Okay? Rajans, be in the story. Again, I am telling.
few started feeling nuts, sometimes cotton also. Ram started feeling jealous of Shyam's happiness. He started thinking, few days back his family was starving, and now suddenly what has he got that he is richer than him? One night he got into Shyam's house and everything was revealed to him. Ram's crooked mind started working. He planned to steal the treadmill. So when Shyam was out to sell the things, Ram stole the treadmill and moved with his family to settle in some far-off island. After reaching the seashore, he bought a boat. He and his family sat in the boat and started moving towards the island. His wife asked,
I'm amazed that just with an useless treadmill you have left everything behind. Where are you planning to go?
To end up his wife's curiosity, Ram started rotating the treadmill and said,
Okay, now I would like to know, I would like to create some suspense. What happens next? What happens next? Our story starts.
Work.
Wait. Now I'll be asking, I have just stopped the video and I want to know your observation. What do you understand now? What would happen next? Yes, for 30 seconds one can speak. So Sandhya, please. Yes.
He doesn't know that after moving the treadmill, red cloth have to cover. He doesn't know. Now he will start that treadmill, and whatever he wants, that thing will come out, and the boat will be going inside the water, because he doesn't know that that cover red clothes have to cover
Has to be
that
covered.
treadmill.
Has to be used for covering.
Has to be covered.
Has to be used for covering.
Has to be
Used. Has to be
has to
used.
be used.
And what do you think? What he is desiring for? What will he ask for? Money. What he is rotating something. What he wants, because the process is going on. Okay,
I don't know what he will ask.
Just guess it. Guess what maybe he is looking for. What he wants.
Maybe he will ask for money.
Money. Okay, because after playing this story, he will laugh. He will say that, oh my God, this was my answer. So he will ask for money. But okay, I'll come back. Manya, please. Ismanya.
Salt, salt.
Wow, so intelligent. Anyway, that's great. What is going to happen next?
So next he will ask treadmill, treadmill, give me the salt, and then the salt will come out from the treadmill, and it will be like so much over quantity that the boat will be shrink in the water,
Sink.
like
Sink, no, sink.
yeah,
S-I-N-K, sink.
the boat will sink in the water, in the sea or the island they are going for, and then they will like lost everything.
Okay. Are they going to die? Or there will be some Iron Man or Shaktiman? He will save them.
Sir, this I think they are going to die. I think.
Oh, please pray for them. Maybe your prayer, they God may listen and save them. Okay, so Satakshi. Yes, Satakshi.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it can be happen that the treadmill is only for the need. It's a magical treadmill, and a treadmill is only for the needy people. So the treadmill will not give any wheat, salt, or anything to the persons because they steal the treadmill, and they are very rude. They are not good in nature, and the three drafts have given the poor man because he was starving and all, and he needs the treadmill. So I think this will be the story that treadmill was miracle, and he will give anything to him. He will not give anything to him.
Yeah, wow. You should be producer or director or creator or movie content in the movie. Yes, so much out of intelligence, I would say that. Out of the box. You always think out of the box. Wonderful. Bhumi Chauhan. Chauhan. Yes.
So I think it will not work. I think it is for, as Satakshi said, it is for needy ones. I think it will not work.
Oh wow, wonderful. Same to same, both sister. Yukta Agrawal.
So for becoming rich, he stole the treadmill, but I think it will not work, and he will wish for the more and more salt, just becoming richer than his brother Sham, but I think it will not work.
It is not working.
And the same condition will happen with him as Sham faced.
I can see your confidence. How confident you, Satakshi, Bhumi, and Yukta are. Oh my God, they are damn sure it is not going to work. He is so much fool that he brought that because that is magical one. Okay, Vidhi, what's your opinion?
Yes, sir. As Manya said that he asked for the salt, and after that, when he was in danger, his brother will help him. Sham will help him.
Sham will die in the sea and start swimming, and we will save him. Wow, amazing, nice. So Nadi, our experienced one, what is going to happen? Any idea? Who will save him? God will come, goddess will come, or some superpower will happen. Is going to save him. Unmute your mic first. Faster.
Sir, I think that treadmill will give him a lesson. Something.
How? What lesson? It is going to teach.
What lesson is he will ask something, and it will, maybe a treadmill will produce more, and he cannot manage in the water, and.
Okay, so now
he may not die.
Please, guys. So now, okay, Satakshi is raising another time hands. So
yeah, so Nali ma'am said that treadmill will give him a lesson. I think it can also be happen that he will ask something for the treadmill, and treadmill will give opposite to that.
Okay, now let me stop your curiosity and watch it. Because more suspicious thing is about to happen. Let's see how many people made the right answer.
Treadmill. Ram started rotating the treadmill and said,
Treadmill, treadmill, take out salt.
Salt started collecting near the boat, and boat started sinking. Seeing this, The wife said,
What are you waiting for? Stop this treadmill or the boat will sink.
Ram said,
I don't know to stop it. I didn't see how Shyam used to stop this treadmill.
The boat was overloaded with salt, and everybody along with the treadmill drowned and died. It is believed that the treadmill is still rotating, and that's why the sea is salty.
Wow. At the last you got a life. I don't know whether it is true or not, but they made it so interesting. It is still rotating, and that is why sea is salty. So additional information they have added. Wow. Please clap for Manya for her intelligence. And Vidhi too.
No, sir, I have doubt. Manya definitely was that story because there is a headline. Because nobody will guess directly salt.
Actually, I am watching. My grandma is telling me these kinds of stories, so that's why I am not able to sleep without story earlier. So that's why I know these kinds of stories.
Know the story before.
Sir, she has heard it earlier.
It's my knowledge.
No way, baby.
Anyway, it was so interesting because the title of the story was Salty Sea. So maybe some people guess that means because what was missing in the entire story, that it was salt. In entire story there was no salt. So that means something salt is going to happen or going to be produced. Now, the activity for tomorrow is, please write it down. 10 vocabularies, because this story was full with new words. In that story, you would find more than 10. But I'm just saying that out of all the vocabulary, you need to find 10 most important vocabularies. Now, please write it down. 10 vocabulary. Out of those, and by the help of those 10 vocabularies, you have to make a story.